Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Emma Pro, a powerful personal finance app that can help you take control of your finances. But before we get into the details, let's ask ourselves a question. Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed by your finances? Do you ever find yourself wondering where all your money goes? If so, then Emma Pro might be just what you need. In this video, I'll cover everything you need to know about Emma Pro, including its features, benefits, and how to get started. So, whether you're a seasoned financial pro or just starting out, stay tuned, and let's dive into the world of Emma Pro. What is Emma Pro? Emma Pro is a comprehensive personal finance app that helps you track your spending, set budgets, and save money. It's like having your own personal financial assistant right at your fingertips. Key features of Emma Pro. Track your spending. Emma Pro automatically tracks all of your transactions, so you can see where your money is going in real time. This makes it easy to identify areas where you can cut back on spending and save money. Set budgets. With Emma Pro, you can create custom budgets for different categories, such as groceries, housing, and entertainment. This helps you stay on track with your financial goals and avoid overspending. Save money. Emma Pro has a built-in savings feature that makes it easy to set aside money for specific goals, such as a down payment on a house or a new car. Analyze your spending. Emma Pro provides you with detailed reports on your spending habits, so you can see where you're spending the most money and make informed decisions about your finances. Manage your subscriptions. Emma Pro can help you keep track of all your subscriptions, so you can avoid paying for services you don't use. And much more. Benefits of using Emma Pro. There are many benefits to using Emma Pro, but here are a few of the most notable. Save time and money. Emma Pro can help you save time and money by automating your finances and helping you identify areas where you can cut back on spending. Improve your financial habits. Emma Pro can help you develop healthy financial habits, such as budgeting and saving regularly. Take control of your finances. Emma Pro gives you the tools you need to take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. How to get started with Emma Pro. Getting started with Emma Pro is easy. Simply download the app from the App Store or Google Play Store and create an account. Then, connect your bank accounts and credit cards. Once you've set up your account, you can start using Emma Pro to track your spending, set budgets, and save money. Pricing. Emma Pro is available for a monthly subscription fee of $4.99. However, you can try the app for free for 30 days. Emma Pro is a powerful and comprehensive personal finance app that can help you take control of your finances. If you're looking for a way to save money, improve your financial habits, and achieve your financial goals, then I highly recommend giving Emma Pro a try. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.